I was working as a factory and I lost my job. And that was a very difficult moment for me. I started business na enyemre na stress no emwa me papa say me di beye me amejuma no e na nyame nhia GEA Ghana Enterprises Agency omabwa me pa. Thanks to the small business I have, I found hope again.
Welcome to today's episode of My Business Story, where real entrepreneurs share the raw, unfiltered journey behind their brands. We explore the moments that shape their hustle, the challenges they've overcome, and the lessons they are still learning. Whether you are building your own business or just love a good story, you are in the right place. Let's get into it.
Your friend Ruby Nyarkoa Essel. I'm a founder and CEO of Russel Enterprise. Russel Enterprise no, you're processing nuane, that is, you're Tom brown sugar, date powder, gari so. The eshe me crying say me nye ejuma na say na me ye ejuma factory hand ejuma 9 to 5 ejuma and na 9 to 5 ejuma na me sanso ye mi ame ejuma no na stress no emwa me papa say me di be mi ame ejuma no enti me jaye na afi me guso a me ye mi ame ejuma no de eba me mo pa say me nye ejuma no so e kan say me fa nkofo ejumam ene mi aye ejuma. Me ye nyuma bebe but the time me fa food processing no dan ne dey nyina nipa ye didi e na minim say definitely enkofo beto medwan enkofo be didi eni na me sha say with food processing. Food processing no so me yema obia but ne me hwe pan say omo yare diabetics especially omo sugar level say all the time no sugar level ebeye normal between 7 to 8 7.5 to 8 8.5 enunti me to mebo hwe say meye edwane ni ye me target ni ye bebre omo health issues most especially diabetics and busy moms obi wo ho okọ ejuma na wo nkola ofie I was almost ko school me Tom Brown no ujna disease so enche within 5 minutes na ben me start me business no na heading like me started with only 250 cedis na enye easy kra especially say me kwa koton me products no na nkofo eni me products because na me advertise online me call market say me koton me koye marketing so na me nya buyers because almost say omu ni me products no 250 na me dey start see me business no me dey to cereals no nkakra and na me dey to pan na me dey bechi cereals no me ankasa na me roasty me chi cereals no any bibia and na me dey 250 na emu bi so e dey call your friend say me dey call yam me bro no roasted cereals no me start here na me nye container na say na me chichi wa rubber because na 250 no and so say me dey better pouch and na containers it na me to rubber na me dey chichire me call market and confirm to mo say omo ni me products me omo ton ma be me mbu because na me name the purpose of Russel Enterprise. I knew my purpose na me name nya me pese me ye ntino na sala me ko eko marketing me products no until one day me ko ye marketing e was Saki and na nya me ado me nya nipa baako me ko ne shop say me ko market a che no onto bia na say onji me nyama no me products ni bi na onton ba me ko ye no so pupu ni tinam ne kasa am ka che ni so onje me products no baako brown sugar baako Tom Brown so baako no try nhwe the following week I no san frame me say nyame adom ope me products ni ti obeji na waton but unfortunately no last 2 years and no film nyame fa ni crime say me dana sepa day I me register me business ni there na ye May 2021 17th May 2021 but me start say me ye production ni there me start in February 2021 nyame adom sisi a ekoye kakra through me social media handles and media marketing no ekoye kakra compared to first nyame adom eye To see I'm one for me no omoje me nyama eton. A month nipa baako to me 50 pieces. Omoje on credit. Omoton wi an so na omoji sika ne mame. Enti mame nti me nya no bebre sa enton as requested. Challenges are me face pa sikasem. And a machines are me di beye ejuma, machines for grinding and a machine for roasting. And when they hear me pa.
Ghana is home to over 2 million small and medium enterprises, the heartbeat of our economy. But only a few ever break through beyond their neighborhoods, beyond their streets, beyond their cities. That's why my business story exists, to give these everyday businesses the voice, visibility, and platform they need to succeed. If you believe in supporting local dreams and growing African businesses, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's tell their stories together.
Mebusianfo omo mabua me no modo so pa mebusianfo abua me ena nyame nhwa GEA Ghana Enterprises Agency omo abua me pa ena nyame nhwa MTN enam MTN so na nyame ado menya smartphone asisi amitimi sanso di ye mejuma menya Samsung S24 aye call program 27 June ewo Kimpiski ena true GEA na momo so na Mitiminya phone every MTN for Madam Wasepa. They give up a bapa, but because me name the purpose and the reason for my business, Russel Enterprise in Tino. Me who me machines, not me who products me bina mayena. And the reason for say me crazy ejuma say me one call for say the beya almost on benye ejuma yeno. Because of those reasons in Tino, na masanswenya. In Kenya say mentua so nye ejuma despite the hardships no because so aye ejuma no say obi is starting the business na onya difficulties are there metufo ane say me pa ocho try na your research find out more about organizations are omobua entrepreneurs especially ma and make us say me ma wa be mu ngu Koswa o start business na enyemre and that from crowd bisa omomaye omutimaye omami business amaye kese na enye easy at all. It doesn't whether you have the money or not. O sikano ni sikano enye easy, especially when onye research bia about your products, your line of business and especially when onye research bia unko training, business trainings and programs are. My advice say you start now. You start doing your research now. Food processing is very profitable because then na enkofo didi. Ultimately register for FDA na. Exportation will be so good for you. There are lots of exporters omo pese ye kra omo yenuane no eba omo krom. It's food processing is very profitable. Online no abua mejuma pa aman kofo bebre ehun me products aman kofo bebre at Russel Enterprise nka me active ewo Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all the social media platforms me active ho na de abua me pa TikTok and Facebook eno na abua ma mejuma no ekoso pa minya bias. Advice member entrepreneur bia ana obi opese o share ni business asie bia ye say no matter what never ever give up, keep pushing, especially when you know, unless you don't know the purpose of your business, especially when you know the purpose of your business, never ever give up. My future plans Emma me business me say in 5 years time, less than 5 years time krano metimi enya a big facility na metimi afanko for bebre jumemu the less privileged especially obi omu nkofo mu ni baby da na metimi training omu ewo entrepreneurship mu metimi assist omu senior beya omu ankasa so metimi ade omu ho sisi anu meni nkofo mienu na ejuma ma mienu na eye ejuma na emra ejuma beba no na ma from na me nyom aye ejuma so after work no na me tio. You can contact me on 0235 889866. That's WhatsApp only. And then you can also call me on 0543 322947. You can find us on YouTube, Russel Enterprise. You can find us on TikTok, that is Russel_Enterprise, and then Nourisher_Foods. You can find us on Instagram too, Nourisher_Foods, Russel_Enterprise, and then Diamond Imports_Export Ghana 2025. I lost my job. I was working as a factory hand, and then I lost my job, and that was a very, very, very hard and difficult moment for me. But thanks to the small business I have, I found hope again. My name is Ruby Nyarkoa Essel, founder and CEO of Russel Enterprise, and this is my business story.
Thanks for watching today's episode of My Business Story. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone chasing their own dream. Subscribe for more real stories from entrepreneurs across Ghana and beyond, because every business has a story and yours could be next. See you in the next one.